What's up everyone? Today in this video we'll compare two phones side by side in terms of PUBG Mobile performance. These two are budget flagship which is really good for their price. This one is Mi10T from Xiaomi and this one is Samsung S20 FE 5G latest 10th edition phone. These two have the same processor, Snapdragon 865. Let's find out which one will beat. Xiaomi Mi10T has officially 90 FPS. You can find in the setting, in the graphic settings, whereas S20 FE is still waiting for the official option, but we'll force it to run for 90 FPS. Let's find out how is it look like official 90 FPS versus forced 90 FPS. I will run a few rounds of demanding mode in PUBG Mobile. By the end, you'll find out which will run continuously 90 FPS. Alright, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe and notification icon. If you have already subscribed, then you are doing good.
Team match, let's go.
The blue team has scored for the first time.
In this video, I do not want to talk too much. Both devices are in split screen with their FPS counter. Both are running PUBG Mobile in 90 FPS. Both have Snapdragon chipset. You will find that in the end, a chipset always doesn't matter for the better gaming. Better UI optimization and RAM utilization are also important. And let's find out.
Reloading.
I had a problem running the FPS counter on the Samsung phone, but later I managed. If you don't know how to run PUBG Mobile in 90 FPS on a Samsung device, then you can find a video on my channel.
Killing spree for the red team.
Expired.
Both devices are running perfectly, continuous 90 FPS. As you can see, the FPS counter side by side. If you are thinking about some FPS measure missing on S20 FE, then someone was calling me and the FPS was disconnected. First round was neck to neck, both managed good performance. Let's start. In the second round, it's a war mode. It used to be my favorite mode, but TDM took this place. I guess this is the case to everyone, right? This is also high demanding mode than classic games, so I choose this one too. As you can see, so many things are going on here. Too much fluctuation in the FPS. This is issues with both devices. The slightly worse situation is in Samsung part, but remember it is forced 90 FPS, not an official one. Both are doing well to connect 90 FPS, but you will see a little worse situation in Samsung part, but the game experience is not so bad. I think the performance was kind of similar. I couldn't distinguish any. Anyway, let's do round third, team domination. I think this is a very demanding mode than any else. Everything is running at a fast pace. Let's see if this makes any difference.
A weapon crate has been activated. The red team is leading as domination enters the second half.
Target down. Reloading. Enemy down. Cover me. Enemy down. Dead. Enemy down.
I think here is also kind of similar. Both are running pretty well. FPS is holding perfectly, and I'm enjoying playing with both devices. If you have a Snapdragon version devices, then I highly recommend you to play in 90 FPS. It feels very good.
Nice shot.
If you check the FPS counter, then you'll find a very slightly better FPS situation in Xiaomi Mi10T, maybe because of the official option. Remember, Mi10T has an LCD display and it is not demanding than AMOLED display, but my Samsung device is also not so bad, although it was being forced to get 90 FPS. I cannot wait to get the official update. Anyway, in the end, Xiaomi Mi10T offered me a very slightly better gaming experience than my Samsung device.
The blue team will soon take over the base. The blue
I will upload an uncut version of this video on my other channel very soon. Do not forget to visit there. Usually I make available uncut versions of my videos there. Thanks for watching. See you all soon.